Okay, so in this particular video, I'll be showing you on how to create hyperlinks and how to create action buttons and also how to do printing in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so I'm just going to open this particular slide. I'm going to press Shift F5 and open this particular slide and just going to load everything at once. Okay, so if you look over here, if I click on the word triangle, it automatically takes me to the slide triangle. Okay, and then if I click this particular action button, we call this action button. When I click on this action button, look, it takes me back to the content page. If I click on the word, these are changing automatically. If I click on the word diamond, look, it goes onto the diamond page. If I want to come back, I can just click on this action button. It comes back to the content page. Okay. So this is what we call hyperlinks, and this particular button over here is what we call an action button. Okay. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to come over here. I'm going to select this particular text. I'm going to right click over here, come to link. Okay, just click on link, and I'm going to say that when this particular word circles is clicked, it should go to a place in this document, and that place is the slide number 3, which is about circles. Okay, I'm going to click on this and say okay. Then I'm going to select the word squares. I'm going to right click, link, and I'm going to say the word squares is clicked. When this particular word squares is clicked, it should go to slide number 4, which is about square. Say okay. Likewise, you have to do the same for all the other text as well. Okay, link, when clicked, it should go to triangle. When this is clicked, it should go to right triangle. When this is clicked, it should go to diamond. Okay, so like this, I have created hyperlinks. Let's have a quick look whether they are working or not. So I'm going to press Shift F5, and I'm just going to load this everything at once, and I'm going to click on triangles. Yes, triangles is working. Okay, then also one more thing was there. If you look over here, you can see there is something which we call an action button. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to insert, shapes, and right at the bottom I'm going to select one of these buttons. Okay, for me this looks the best. I'm going to click it over here, draw it somewhere over here. Now the computer asks me, what do you want this button to do? So I'm going to say that this button is a hyperlink to not the first slide, not the last slide. It has to go to a particular slide, and that slide is the content slide. Okay, when this button is clicked, it has to go to the content slide. So I say okay, okay. Now what I do is I just simply copy, Control C, come and paste it in all the slides. Okay, okay. So now in any of these slides, let's take this for example, Shift F5. Okay, when I click on this button, look, it goes directly back to the content page. Okay, where each of these hyperlinks start to appear. Okay, so that's what you call an action button. Okay, it is a particular action for you. So we're done with hyperlinks, we're done with action buttons, and now I'm just going to be showing you how to print. So now when it comes to printing, you simply come to File and you come to Print over here, and when you come to print, now right now it is printing all the slides printing. Okay, and it's printing one slide on one page. Okay, so sometimes your question paper will tell you, for example, 3 slides on one page. So you just click over here and you say you want 3 slides. Okay, so sometimes they may tell you to print 2 slides, they may tell you to print 4 slides, 6 slides. Okay, like this there will be various options that they'll be telling you. Okay, so you have to decide from this particular option. Also there is another thing they may ask you. They may ask you to print something which we call a handout view. Okay, they may tell you to print a handout view of the presentation. Do not panic, do not worry. Simply come into the view tab, come into handout master. Okay, right now you're in handout master, and then you just simply come to file, you come to print. Okay, it now gives you a handout view of how the presentation. As you can see, it's a handout view. Okay, it's the same thing that we did previously. I just want you all to know the word handout. If you all see that word in your exam, do not panic. Okay, sometimes they use the word note view, they say. So don't worry. Once again, you just come into notes master. This is what you call notes master. If they tell you to take a printout of this, don't worry. While you are in the notes master itself, come to file, come to print. Okay, you can take a printout of this particular document. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, don't worry about this handout or notes view, anything. You just simply come to file, print, and try and work on this. Okay, normally they'll tell you 1 slide or 2 slides or 3 slides. Okay, if you say your notes page is over here. Okay, so you just read carefully and see how you're supposed to be printing your presentation. Okay, so this is the end of our presentation topic. I haven't shown you only one part, which is the saving part. Okay, I'm sure you're okay with saving because you have learned Microsoft Word as well. You have learned graphic designing as well. So saving in presentation wouldn't be a problem. You just have to click on the save button, type the name, select your location. Okay. So please do make sure you complete the PowerPoint assignment. Okay, in your classroom, the assignment has been uploaded in the PDF document. Instructions on how to create the presentation has been given. So please make sure you do attempt that particular assignment. Thank you very much.